So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Welcome to the stream today. Today we'll be primarily talking about the enhanced risk effect. And sorry if it looks kind of yellow. You see there are some warnings here. I changed it up so it will still be orange the more we zoom out. So the enhanced risk is mostly for these 4 states. I'll actually pull it up here so you guys can know without actually having to just read it off. I'll put it on the screen, but mostly a damaging wind and hail threat, but there is still a chance for possibly a tornado or 2, though that is not the main threat. Sorry for the kind of, I guess, high and low microphone quality. It is very, very, very sensitive. So you'll be able to hear everything, such as my chair squeaking and all that stuff there. But yeah, this is just past Pleasant Hill. We have recorded 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts with this storm. And then I'm expecting maybe a severe thunderstorm up here with this storm over here near Brookfield very soon. And the reason I chose this color table is even though it doesn't have the most values and stuff, you could tell hail very easily from this. You could see on the I guess leading edge near your edge. So right here is the big threat. This little notch, this little knob poking out of the storm. This is the main area of 60, maybe even 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And if we were going to have any spit up tornadoes, it would likely be along that little area there. I'm keeping an eye on this little notch here near Harrisonville for maybe something here. Maybe a few damaging winds, and we'll probably get a severe thunderstorm warning for that. Even though we have one down there near Archie, we haven't got one yet. The values, though, aren't really correlating with that. You can definitely see where that's the wrong one. You can definitely see where the most hail is with this storm up here. Actually, and with down here. Based on radar, the most significant part of the storm over here near Kilwauhee is recording about 70 to 80% chance of severe hail, and the hail size estimated by radar. Go ahead and let it load. But just based on like hovering over nothing here, it says 1-inch hail is possible. Here's a vertically integrated liquid. So many models, products are kind of focusing on this little area over here for like the, wow, it will not work today. Like over here is going to be the most severe area of the storm. Hello, Zane Hale, y'all. Welcome to the stream. If you guys don't know, actually, you guys don't know, he is a storm chaser for us, though he is not chasing today. But he will be chasing, he will likely chase sometimes during severe weather events in, Texas, central Texas, over here in this area here. And if you want to go ahead and hop on the stream, just give me a call here, and I'll actually put you on the stream. Right now, nothing big is going on. Maybe a few spin-up tornadoes will happen today. Well, even though that is basically guaranteed, hail and damaging winds are the main threat today. So please, if you guys are in this area, be taking your storm precautions, especially if you are in this enhanced risk. This is one of those days where we will likely be live for a few hours at least. Yeah, so we will likely be live for a long time today, or at least we'll try. Seven warnings currently in effect. There you go. 7 warnings currently in effect. Go ahead and check here something. But yeah, this is nowhere near initiation. I guess this is not what initiation will look like. Well, my bad. This is what initiation is currently looking like. That was my bad. And but like the peak of storms will likely be it'll likely be a squall line. Okay, yeah, join VC, and a thingy there. Oh, the stream, the live storm coverage. I'm already in it. So if you want to join that, you can. Let's see. So, this is very intense bow echo, of course. Power outages. I'm actually going to see if I can get a power outage map. Or, my bad, poweroutage.us. Because we're going to have a lot of power outages. This is mostly looking like a straight line damaging wind event. And of course, down there in Virginia, there's a lot. So, if we're going to go ahead and focus on Virginia for a moment here. To really see how, intense it is currently looking. Go ahead and get this browser up. Not wanting to work with me. Oh, what did this do? I just messed something up. There we go. Hopefully you guys could see what just happened, because that was wow. Welcome to the stream, or I guess say hi to the stream, Zane. While I kind of figure out this here.
Wow.
Might just sent a spoiler out. That little thing there. It might just sent a spoiler out for what I'm trying to do, or at least what I'm going to do with this stream in the near future. Oh, that's why I need to put a window capture on. Okay. Go ahead and turn on your volume, Zane. Zane, do you know how to turn on noise suppression on your voice?
Hello?
Do you know how to turn on noise suppression on your thing so we don't hear like the background?
To me?
Yeah.
No. Oh.
Go into settings.
Uh-huh.
Go to voice and video, and then go to all the way down and go to echo cancellation and then noise suppression standard. And that
Okay,
should...
I turned it off.
There we go. That's
Okay,
much
we
better.
are...
That is much better.
Yeah. We are live on the YouTube channel. Today is September 23, today is September 23, 2023. We have a bunch of severe weather outbreak coverage, bunch of severe weather for parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, and the Iowa.
And you
Today
guys should just
we're
take a
going to
moment
keep you updated.
to look. Let me actually fix this real quick. Looks like now WSV3 is not wanting to work. Really, it's not wanting to work on WSV3 here. So, minor technical difficulties. But this is our first stream in a while. Hurricane Idalia was our last ever stream. Ever. Oh, did not want that. Uh-oh. Okay, guys, just didn't know that.
Do you have a new severe danger warning in Oklahoma? Let's take a look at that.
Okay, we do. And we also have one in Missouri, too. That one I was talking about earlier.
If we by Savannah or Hartshaw, Oklahoma, you may want to park your cars in the garage or cover them. It does have an impact of baseball-sized hail and damaging winds when thunder was go indoors.
Yep. And of course, this is not the most impressive storm, but of course it is a severe thunderstorm warning. And let's go ahead and check up here at that pretty impressive storm north of I guess northeast of Kansas City. So it definitely does have pretty large hail, probably larger hail than earlier. And according to radar, the mean estimated hail size it's around 2.4 inches. So, and that's just based off radar, so it could be smaller or larger than that. And of course, the one currently entering Clinton, so Clinton, please be prepared. That is currently producing 60 miles per hour or higher wind gusts.
Yeah, I'm looking at the chances. It will completely bad. I don't think it will have. Oh wow! It looks like it's rotating just a bit.
Today is definitely going to be a long day. But yeah, it looks like this is definitely ramping up in intensity. Today will be a long day for this storm and people in the risk area, which is pretty crazy. Um,
Yeah, I'm watching the storm near Garden City. It was right. You have water downpours with this one.
yep. I'm gonna go ahead and check our power outage map. Virginia is being hit the hardest, but so will areas in our risk area today.
Richmond, Virginia have a flash flood warning on it. So
Yep. I'm actually checking that right now. So here is the state of Virginia power outages, which is pretty crazy for such a state, but that is due to a tropical storm, or I guess tropical, post-tropical soon. I mean tropical depression. Sorry. I don't really know my hurricane stuff right now. I kind of just woke up around 5 hours ago, and I wasn't. Well, that's not really an excuse though. My bad, guys. I'm just stuttering because first live stream in a while. I was kind of nervous for this one, but customers tracked 3 million, and customers out only 12,000. But that will ramp up, especially over here along the coast, and there is a lot going on here. But isn't Richmond, Virginia, in Cumberland County, Virginia? Because if so, that means they would have 12% of the outages in their county. Yep. Back to our weather radar.
if you're in Calhoun, Kansas, you do have a severe thunderstorm warning that was just issued for y'all. So make sure you park the cars into a garage or have some way of protecting your cars. When
Yep.
thunderwolves go indoors.
Yep.
Don't
When
be
thunder.
scared, be prepared.
Yep.
Wow,
That's a Ryan Hall quote, but yeah, excuse me, definitely is true. When don't be scared, be prepared.
if you
Especially today.
in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, the state fair of Texas is going on.
Yep. Damaging winds is currently the main threat at this time, but it'll be damaging winds and hail, and maybe an isolated tornado or two later on. Could have had a spin up, maybe.
Yeah. I don't know, let me check that. You guys want to do something.
Could have something going on. You go and check
You want
satellite.
to do something moving about 44.7 miles per hour.
Yep. I'm going to get satellite.
If you're in cold camp, get ready. This thunderstorm is heading your way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get our satellite photo up too, actually. Let's see here. weather data, satellite, and radar.
Even the photo of area the weather is clear. You don't have anything going on right now.
Yep, just storms. Let's see here. Go ahead and get our radar up, actually. I mean, our satellite imagery. So, wow, this is definitely a great example right here of clearing. So, look at all that clearing over here near Springfield. All this clearing will fuel storms all day today, and even this tiny little bit could have instability. And the main little area that I'm focusing on is right here, just east of Springfield. This will cause a lot of instability in the air and cause these storms to ramp up even more, which is not a good sign, but will likely, maybe even sometimes. Sorry guys, my microphone's cut off. I'll be right back. Let's see here. So, yeah, today's gonna be pretty good, and now we have another severe thunderstorm warning. That includes Warsaw, not
I have to
Poland.
go. I have to go somewhere.
Alright, see ya. Go ahead and call Chesty. Nothing much going on. What happened to the warning count? Let me fix it. My bad. I know how to fix it, yo. There we go. Maybe work. Yep. There we go. Hopefully Chesty can call. Since Zane had to leave and go somewhere. Yeah, Chesty today had his first ever wind battle, and welcome onto the stream, Chesty.
Bro, it was 35.
That's not that bad. That's not that bad. I mean, I've had 40 mile/hour wind gusts before.
Was I right with being built like a lineman?
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you? I think it could have been 40. See the waves?
Yeah, that was definitely at least a foot storm surge. Yeah,
that was New York, and that was New York from this morning. I think that was right after the sun rose. So.
Yeah, that's actually really cool. Yeah, I've had 60 mile/hour. I think that's my highest ever wind gust. Cause see, we had this wind recorder at my house.
Wait, could you join me in weather discussion 1 on the Yelp Squad?
No, I'm live on YouTube right now.
Wait, could you join me in weather discussion 1 on the Yelp Squad? Storm Center?
No, I'm live on YouTube right now.
'Cause- 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 'cause
Well, I don't know how to. Anyways, I don't know what happened there. I mean, I kind of did, but yep, it's just this first ever wind battle. Chesty. Oh, I need to put on push to talk. Wait, okay, wait. Chesty, just. Oh, what happened? Keybind. Listen video. Oh. There. Chesty, call me on the thing, because I'm live right now. Anyways, that was pretty. Back in voice activity, okay. Chesty! Oh, let me rejoin. Chesty, can you hear me? Did my internet just go out? I think my internet just went out. Wait. Did it go out? I don't know. Okay. Give me a minute here. Wait, I need to fix this. It might be my VPN. Nope, still not working. That's weird. That's very odd. Wait, let me try push to talk. Let me try push to talk. Can you hear me? Nope. Looks like you can't. Technical difficulties here. Sadness. Sadly, I mean. This storm might be trying to get over here near Butler. I think it's going to get that more isolated supercell shape shortly. I mean, look, it's already trying to get broad rotation. It could definitely try. I think it will. We could get a tornado warning. I think it's going to be our next tornado warner here. Right here near Foster, Hume, all those areas there. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. My bad, that was the wind noises. That was the wind. They just sent me a thing. You did pretty good. Yeah, so not much going on right now. Like this little area, it's kind of going back into the storm, but that could just mean it's kind of recycling. here. I don't know if that would be a good word to use for this storm, but yeah, hydration time. Alright. Let's see. This is live severe weather coverage of a severe weather event. Technically all hazards possible, but mostly it'll just be a damaging wind and hail threat as we do get on to the later hours here. 6 p.m. where I am, 7 p.m. On the clock on the stream. So that's pretty cool there. I guess not pretty cool, but I guess pretty informative there. We'll likely be live for maybe another few hours. We've only been live for 30 minutes. So we will probably be live for a few more hours. I will probably put it on automated mode for a little bit until we can fix some things on this stream. And then it'll of course go back on. I'll probably add a scroll thing since you might not be able to see the text on the severe thunderstorm warning side. So Hook Echo on the storm is definitely kind of wrapped more into the storm. Man, I cannot get overhydrating right now, boys. Go ahead and check on Tulsa. Oh man, look at this initiation. Wow, look at all that. Look at all these storms here. And, I mean, all these thunderstorm warnings here in Oklahoma. I've never seen that many. Or I have, but I didn't know. I mean, that's what I meant. I haven't seen as many today, you know. So yeah, looks like Oklahoma is ramping up severe weather-wise. But yep, I need to stop focusing on the storm. This storm over here, the one that was trying to get on like its own thing, it's definitely going to be sucked up by this giant storm here. Maybe cause another bow echo. I mean, it kind of already is, or maybe even a squall line. But I think it's gonna be a bow echo because squall lines go this way, and they're more of a straight, very slim line of damaging winds and isolated tornadoes. Let's see here. That's all. I forgot what I was going to do. Oh yeah, yep, that's what. Nothing currently major going on. No tornado warnings, I mean. That's what I mean. Yep, Tulsa will probably be a threat later on. Or at least they'll, like, right now, this storm could ramp up. I mean, yeah, it's definitely going to probably impact Tulsa later on. I guess, like, in the next few minutes. Maybe even an hour. Alright, let's see. So, based on the direction, 86 degrees at 23 miles an hour. Okay, so if you guys are in Shady Grove, you guys will be impacted by this in 19 minutes. And if you guys are around Sand Springs in around 44 minutes, so that probably gives an estimated time of around an hour, or 50 minutes to an hour, for Tulsa to prepare. So please prepare here, as this could be maybe a significant storm that we see in the future. And it might just be one of these storms that just ramp up and go, and die. Oh wow, Potawatomi County is looking pretty crazy. That storm, can't show it on stream because it's probably copyrighted. Is that this one over here? I assume it's this one down here. I don't know, because I don't really know Oklahoma counties that well. Yeah, this storm's definitely trying to ramp up. Don't know if it will or not. Oh well, up here is definitely the area that we were focusing on earlier. That area is definitely keeping its pace for sure. Looks like we have an extension over here near Seminole, Shawnee, Oklahoma. These are two separate storms. Don't know if they split off or not. Good on this little band right here, I guess. This, like, if we already had a tornado warning, it would likely be in this little band, just because I guess this area is more significant. And then of course we have these storms ramping up over here, just north of this storm, heading towards Tulsa, northwest of Tulsa. Wait, I can actually get this because I'm pretty sure you can use this graphic. I mean, it's literally by the National Weather Service. But I'm gonna use it. Please don't copyright me. That's my worst fear. Even though I don't make any money off of this, I just don't want to get a strike. Alright. here it is. So here's the timing. Norman, Oklahoma here. So this is kind of what we are currently looking at right now. This area near Oklahoma City. Around earliest start 4 p.m. most likely 6 to 9 p.m. So it's kind of in between that right now. Or it's 6 p.m. there. Earliest start for the timing is through earlier in 2. So 2 is all the way down here. So this is where the storm is right now in 2. This is around 8 to 12 a.m. Earliest start 7 p.m. So it's kind of nearing the earliest start area. And down there in 3 near Wichita Falls, which we have seen no initiation. That area is going to be around that's tomorrow. Wait, what? No, that's earlier. Okay. So we will probably we will most likely my bad. We will most likely end the stream at around 2 and around that area. At around 2 hours or so. WSP3, please work. The laughs of nervousness. Yep, so here for that Seminole cell again. So this is I guess, the most significant storm at the moment. Big cluster of severe thunderstorm warnings for, I guess, 2 cells, but it's kind of converging into 1. Nothing currently going on. Or I guess nothing major. It either split or these 2 cells are coming together. I think it split and now they're coming together. Mathematics cloud. Yes. Wait, west side of Tulsa? This is severe, considerable. I assume so. Yep, it's considerable. Looks like it's going north of Tulsa, but it may impact the near Turley, so near that area. Golf ball size tail. My favorite stream drink is the Starry Lemon Lime. Best drink for streaming. Best drink for streaming, definitely. And then, of course, water. And then, I really don't know after that. Maybe a Monster. I don't know. $50,000 feet top so far, so it could maybe pop. Is this on this storm here? Yep, it is. Okay, let's go ahead and see this. Where is it though? Echo tops. Yep, 50. It officially reached 50. This storm is going. Storm's definitely going. I don't believe that right there. That is definitely contamination. Yeah, that is definitely contamination. But up here, it is officially reached. That is definitely not echo tops. This is definitely reached the 50,000 foot goal, I guess. The 50,000 foot cloud tops. That's kind of the layer where the supercell, the anvil, gets cut off. You guys can look up for yourself right now. That's when it like kind of cuts off right there. Yep, going ahead here with this string. I'm gonna go ahead and extend it even longer. Sort of have to fix up the stream overlay because it kind of messes up. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Chat GPT. Well, he popped out of nowhere. What? Oh, he's a part of a news station? He's right in the middle of that hail core. Like, he's right in the middle of that. I need to get a screenshot of that. He is right in the middle. He is right in the middle of that. No more wind shield. Poor guy. Literally no more windshield. That poor guy. His windshield has to be over. Especially if he has a sunroof. That's the thing during chasing. Never get a sunroof if you're going storm chasing. Cause that's just that's just not a good idea. Alright, that's just not a good idea. I'm gonna look for the oldest message. From check up on this storm. Tulsa's probably, if you guys, your right weather radios are probably going off right now. Because it's like on the very edge. Yeah, look at that. On the very edge of Tulsa. Sand Springs is about to get in on some light rain here in a moment. We will check on power outages here shortly. Oh wow! I'm going to ask. I'm gonna show this on the stream. I'll go ahead and post it. If I could show. I show this on stream. Because, oh wow. Go ahead and retweet that if you guys want to check. Go ahead and see if I can show this photo on stream. Go ahead and wait on a reply from him. Don't want to spill my drink. I'm going to move. There we go. Much better. I have a much better setup. Go ahead, look at some areas here. Oh wow, another good picture of that. Alright. Wait, so where's this? The Potter. Oh, Bristol. Is it over here? Where is this? I cannot find. See, that's one thing I wish WC3 had better is like Radar Omega, the better. Oh, it's over here. Okay. Yeah, and that's gonna hook soon. But I wish they had like you could see the city names better. That's the only really downside to like weather tracking on WC3. Like that's one of them at least. Which I'm pretty sure they're working on that anyway, so no rush there. Or if the mesocyclone detection thing works, because I know I updated it. Yes, okay, it kind of does. Well, that's not what I was predicting. I was predicting the, there we go, that one works at least. We've had this on stream before. But I was predicting the, like the ones that they show on the news stations. See, I'm trying to get this as news station as possible, but as, like, regular, severe weather coverage as possible, too. So not too professional, but not too misleading either. Like, because I don't want to be with the news station, and I also don't want to be on and I don't want to be like just pure like unprofessional. I want to be in between. It's drawing for sure. Okay, looks like we have the chaser online now. Looks like his windshield is probably not blown out. Wait, Rylan Lopez, was that the guy from that photo? Who took that photo? I wonder if so, I wonder if it is. No, it's Sean Paul. Okay. Give some support to him because he's been very, very good lately for this weather event. If there were to be a storm that was tornado, it would likely be this cell right here. Just a very, very broad prediction. But a prediction. Looks like we're not going to get a response, so probably aren't. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Yep, Tropical Storm Ophelia, now Tropical Depression. All tropical alerts are discontinued. But flooding and winds are these a good threat. I see. Oh, 55,000 foot tops. This storm, I feel like it's probably gonna get canceled for this fifth storm warning. I don't know really though at the moment because it looks like it's kind of being more isolated. So I don't know if they will cancel it or not. This one over here is still looking okay. I mean, it looks like it's probably gonna miss Tulsa at the most severe area. Okay, so it's that one near Seminole over there. So this is the one that they're talking about. From the Natural Resource Office. Yeah, okay, it was. And I'll be right back. Automated mode. Alright, guys, we have a tornado warning in effect. Sorry about that. Football. Had to just do, I guess, practice outside at my house. Let's see here. This includes Lowry City, Roscoe, and Oskaloosa. And oh man, yep, definitely looks like a tornadic storm for sure. Been live for an hour and 30 minutes. Around 30 minutes of that has just been automated mode because, you know, I can't really go live. I mean, I can't really speak. I don't want to end the stream. So, yeah. I don't want to end the stream, and I don't want to have to miss out on something. But yeah, so yeah. Definitely something going on. Go ahead and eat a cookie here. Oh, they're like stacked cookies. Okay. Yeah. So it's being a little bit quiet the stream. I'm eating right now. Let's see here. Definitely a good looking storm here, this tornado warning storm here. I was actually expecting the ones in Oklahoma to produce the most tornadoes, or I guess the first tornado warning, but no, it was up here in Missouri. This tornado warning here. Just a regular tornado warning, no special indications or whatever, no observed properties, just a normal tornado warning. Let's see here. Is it safe if you eat a glow stick? No, it's not. Like you. Oh my God. Who asked that question? Like, of course it's not. If it glows, okay. So if a glow stick, if it like can glow, that probably means that you shouldn't drink the liquid inside of it, because that's probably not a good idea. Because then you might even glow in a casket at your funeral. You might glow. Yep, tornado warning probably going to be canceled or just probably gonna let it expire. We've been live for almost 2 hours here. What? Iron body looks really good today. Yep, so just keep an eye. Wait, how do I turn on dark mode? That's weird. Everybody's getting dark mode on an EM bot or whatever. Like, I know it's an extension, but I just don't know how to get it. But yeah, nothing much going on. That tornado warning, I don't know. What's this? Oh. So prediction center here. Go ahead and pop my fingers. I didn't know a moderate risk was in effect. I mean, a moderate risk of rainfall. My bad. Was in effect for Virginia. I thought it was a enhanced risk. That's pretty good, I guess. Time to eat another cookie. Oh, and I was wrong. Severe thunderstorm warning. I mean, tornado warning extended. So there we go. It's been extended here. Probably won't be extended again unless it's a confirmed tornado warning. Anyways, looking at this here, let's see. I'm eating another cookie here. How to eat another cookie, now getting a drink. I don't know today. Today has been, I don't know, been like, I guess, as expected. Yeah, definitely as expected. Maybe the tornado threat has been a little bit, I guess, lower, but it hasn't even gotten to that part, or I guess that point yet, to where we can really tell. Have storms reached California? Yes, they have. Okay. I knew it. Wow, so this year there have been 17 named storms, 6 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes. Okay. Hurricane season isn't even over yet. Yeah, hurricane season is not over. Though it will probably be um, it is definitely probably going to be weakening, I guess. This is the only stream where we have not been checking velocity every 3 minutes. I mean, every 3 seconds. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Wow, 62,000 foot cloud tops on that Preston cell. Wait, what? So they have definitely broken the cap today. There's no denying that at all. So definitely a few miles up. 62 kft 2 miles. Oh, so it's definitely KFTB kilofeet, right? I hope. I was gonna say that. KFT is alright, so that'd be 11 miles up. Not bad. You could literally drive pretty, like, that distance in a few minutes. Maybe 30. No, definitely not 30. Definitely, like, see, we've flown a plane from Brownsville, South Carolina, and back, and that was, like, what, 8 hours? Yeah, about 8 hours. Actually, about 8 hours, yeah. I could tell distance pretty well. It was a few hundred miles. For sure, we crossed the Gulf of Mexico. Well, we went more like that. More like this. I'll be right back. Anyways. Let's see. How do I catch lightning on a radar? What? I catch lightning on radar. On radar. On radar. Sorry, guys, I'm so tired. I'm probably in the stream here in about an hour. I really don't know. I bet you as soon as I end the stream, they're gonna come back like a tornado or something. I just know it. Happened last time. I'm gonna pop my... I know how to pop my shoulders. So I've been doing that lately. Before and after live streams, and it feels a lot better. Also, thank you guys for the 102 views on our Hurricane Lee just took a big turn, and the 213 subscribers. Definitely appreciated. Haven't been live in a while, so like especially on our live marathons, which are 5+ hours, which we'll never probably have one of those again unless it's a hurricane or whatever. Might go tornadic. Let's see. Ada, Oklahoma. Let's see here. Got a lot of chasers coming here. So we could. Could. Depends. Maybe it will not load. What? It's like stuck on that radar side. I mean, it's trying to pick up something. Let's see. It's not picking it up, unfortunately. Bro! Bro, can you not? Yeah. Like, can you not? Somebody in like the server just said something that I cannot say on stream about a storm. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Anyways. Anyways, guys, I'll probably end the stream soon. I'm trying to get the radar up, but I can't. But yeah. Literally cannot get this radar up. WSC3 is not having a fun time today. I'm eating right now, but I kind of want to stay on the stream. Actually, I might go ahead and end the stream right now. I don't know. Radar isn't working. I'm probably gonna cut this stream short. I do some things in real life. Make sure to go check out Andy Hill, Zane Hale, y'all, and Ryan if he ever goes live. But I do know that Andy and Zane are live, so go ahead and check them out. Zane was actually here earlier in the stream. I'll see you guys in the next live stream, which will probably be the next enhanced risk or whatever, whenever we're expecting a widespread amount of severe weather. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Oh, and by the way, make sure to check out our videos. See you guys next time. Goodbye.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.